A gown can make any occasion truly special. It's a dream translated into fabric and design. When designing a gown, every detail matters, from the first sketch to the final stitch. The perfect gown makes you feel confident and beautiful. It reflects your personality and leaves a lasting impression. The silhouette is the foundation of the gown. It defines the shape and flow of the fabric. A classic ball gown with a fitted bodice and a full skirt exudes timeless elegance. The princess cut, with vertical seams from the bodice to the hem, creates a flattering, elongated look, and an A-line gown, fitted at the top and gradually widening towards the hem, offers a universally flattering silhouette. The fabric you choose drastically impacts the gown's overall look and feel. Organza, known for its sheer and delicate texture, adds a touch of ethereal beauty. Silk Mikado, with its luxurious sheen and weight, drapes beautifully and adds a touch of drama. Taffeta, known for its crispness and subtle sheen, adds structure and volume to the gown. Section 4. Embellishments, adding sparkle and dreams. Embellishments add an extra layer of magic to your gown. Intricately sewn beads catch the light and create a mesmerizing sparkle. Delicate lace appliques add a touch of romance and femininity. For a bold statement, consider three-dimensional floral embellishments or shimmering sequins. Section 5. The final touches, colors, necklines, and themes. The color of your gown sets the mood for the occasion. Soft pastels evoke romance and femininity, while bold jewel tones exude confidence and glamour. The neckline frames your face and enhances your gown's overall style. A sweetheart neckline adds a touch of romance, while an illusion neckline, with its sheer fabric, creates a modern and sophisticated look. Finally, always consider the vibe or theme you want to project. Whether it's classic elegance, modern chic, or bohemian glamour, let your personality shine through.